Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another vintage Coach unboxing to share with you today. So I'll show you what we've got. Ta-da! So this is the Legacy Small Flat Bag style number 9965, and she was made in the US in 1997 and is in the color Mahogany Brown. So it's this deep, beautiful, rich brown color, as you can see. And what's great about this bag is that it's in like new condition, so it looks like it likely was never used. So just beautiful condition and nicely preserved over the years. So this is a crossbody bag. It does come with a crossbody strap that's adjustable here on these sides. It's currently on the shortest shoulder setting right now, but you could adjust it. And it comes with the matching double-sided hang tag, as you can see here. So here's the front again. It has a turn lock closure. So when you open it, this is how it looks under this front flap. And I'll show you, here's the sides again, where you could adjust the strap. And then here's the back of the bag. It's got a slip pocket on the back, which is nice. You could likely fit a phone back here. And then we'll open the bag real fast and I'll show you, it does come with the dust bag too, which is really nice. So you could use this to store the bag when you're not using it, and then take the tissue paper out. It comes with a zip pocket along the back of the bag as well. So it's just got these two pockets, the zip pocket on the inside and this slip pocket on the outside. So those two options for you. And here's a photo of the Coach Creed, so you can see that the bag is authentic, of course. So yeah, that's the Legacy Small Flat Bag, style number 9965. I just listed her in our Etsy shop, so if you wanted to check her out further, as always, I will leave the link below in the description box, along with all the other info on the bag that I mentioned earlier in the video. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you next time.